And hello YouTube, and this is Ziyo Blader here. And today I'm going to be doing a review on the Blizzard Bowl here. As you guys seen in my holiday special, I used this guy for the special, for the battle. Now this originally is my brother's, but he let me borrow it for the holidays. So yeah, so let's get into the review here. So one thing to note is, let's go close up here. When you see this sticker on a stadium that has the black line or the black background in the back and has the Beyblade logo, it's usually the first toy line of Beyblade stadiums by Hasbro, which I believe is released in 2000 to 2001. And unfortunately, the sticker on the back was ripped off. But I have the same sticker on the Vortex Stadium, and it says 2001. So, let's go into, what is it here? The terrain. So, switch back to the far view. As you can see here, I'll move it around. There we go. Okay. So yeah, there's the terrain. It's kind of a, there's not much terrain in here. It's kind of just a slope. I mean, the middle is flat and the sides are kind of sloped down, as you can see. And yes, this is the first stadium to have the castle indentations on the side. Well, I call them a castle look. That's the bottom, right there. Nothing special. It's pretty much kind of like the same as what is it? Drasil Stadium. This is what Cyber Drasil Stadium was modeled after. So yeah. So let's go close up here. And it even says TM, which is interesting. And there's the pockets. We have stadium or something. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, this was a review on the Blizzard Bowl Stadium here. And this is Ziyo Blader here, signing out. And please subscribe.